Hi folks, this is Daryl Roth from Muscle Car Workshop. I just wanted to put together a little instructional video of how I go about drilling for quarter louvers on a 69 Camaro. It's kind of a difficult process, but I've kind of nailed it down in a way that'll get you to where you need to be. It's so critical that the new quarter louver lines up in these deepest recesses of the pressed stamped louver on the new quarter. And to do that, that's why I have marked the arc of how each of these are. Plus I've also marked across the top of the stamped louver and across the bottom of the stamped louver, because that's about the distance that a factory one is. Here's a piece out of an original quarter that I saved to get to reference for locations and how I mark this. You notice down at the bottom that bottom hole is located right in the center of the high part of the stamped area. Notice on top, the holes are more towards the front of where the stamped area is. So that's how I go about locating for the new one. That's why I've drilled out or marked these areas right here to help me locate where that is. Another reason for drawing like that is to line up your quarter louver. So critical. It's hard sometimes to just visually see where the recess of that is, so I mark it out. You can also do this with tape if you're drilling on a new painted surface. You can do all these markings with tape. Well, anyway, I line up this with my initial markings. I'll set it down in there. I'll mark around each of these studs with a marker. Then remove it, drill an 1/8 inch pilot in each for each stud. Then you want to set your quarter louver on those 1/8 inch pilot holes and make sure that the center of the stud is located with those 1/8 inch holes. You may have to remount the hole a little bit to get it in the right position. And once you've got that, once you're comfortable with that, you've got it located in the right position, then come back with the 3/16 drill bit, drill through, set your louver on there again. If you need to remount the holes so it lines up right, go ahead and do that at this stage. Once you're comfortable that you've got it located just right, remove it, drill out with 1/4 inch holes, and then your quarter louver should just set in there just fine. Should go right where it needs to be. Anyway, one of the things I've found over the years, these quarter louvers and quarter panels, the arc and the shape is not the same. A lot of times I have to take this and actually twist it one way or the other to get the position right this way. Plus I've had to like set this louver on a tire or something with a little bit of a give to it and arc it out the other way. So those are some of the things you're going to run into. If you've done this before, you know exactly what I'm talking about. If you're new to the game, you'll find out. It's not as easy as it seems like it would be. But hopefully this will get you to where you'll have good success with fitting your new quarter louver to the new quarter panel and get the best fit you can possibly get. Thanks for watching.